Rising within Abu Dhabi's iconic Gate Tower's development, Gate Tower 2 represents modern engineering, architectural precision, and large-scale urban living. This 66-story residential high-rise features a striking curtain wall facade system designed for both performance and aesthetics. But maintaining a curtain wall structure at this scale is a continuous challenge. Missing sealants, dents, loose panels, stains, and thermal inconsistencies can remain hidden across thousands of facade components. Traditional facade inspections rely heavily on rope access and manual observation. These methods are slow, costly, and limited by access conditions, while critical defects can still go unnoticed. Inspectica transforms curtain wall inspections using autonomous drone technology combined with an advanced AI-powered platform. Capturing high-resolution visual and thermal data, Inspectica scans the entire facade quickly, safely, and with exceptional consistency. With over 95% defect detection accuracy, Inspectica identifies and maps facade defects faster while reducing fault response time by up to 70% and inspection costs by up to 60%. This is the future of curtain wall inspection. Autonomous, intelligent, precise. Thank you for watching.